Hello everyone. In this video, we will write a Python code to calculate average word length of this sentence. I consider anything that consists of letters or numbers as words. To calculate the average length, we have to get rid of these spaces and these special characters. I have this full stop, comma, and exclamation mark. To start the code, first I will split this sentence into words by using this string.split method, and I use space as the separator, and the separated words will be assigned into this words list. First we can run this code and see our output. Here you can see a list with separate words, but we still have these special characters, and also I have a new line character which represents the new line starts with this for word. So we have to get rid of that and all the other special characters too. Next, I will write a for loop to perform the operation. I create an empty list called word length. All the correct lengths of each word will be inserted into this list. Then I will iterate over each word and get rid of these special characters, and finally calculate the length of each word. In the first line of the for loop, I take the word that is considered in that iteration and I replace this new line character with nothing, and then I assign that updated word to a new variable called word replace. It is important to understand this. A word that is considered here is a string. A string is an immutable object, which means we can't update a string in place. You have to update a word and then assign it to a new variable. That is what I do in both of these steps. So in the first line, I will get rid of this new line character. In the second line, I use this string.rstrip method to remove any of these characters, comma, full stop, and the exclamation mark, if those are at the end of a word. So that will take off all the special characters that I need to take off from the updated word, and that updated word will be assigned to a new variable called word strip. Once a word is passed over these two lists, I calculate the length of that word and append that value to this word length list, which is defined at the top. Let's run this code and see the output word length list. Now we can run this word length list and we can see the numbers. Jonah, James have 5 and 5, and we can see this 2, 3, 2, 5, which represents JR 2, 3, 2, 5. That means we have taken off these special characters and the last one have only 4. Now we have calculated the correct lengths of each word. The next step is to calculate the average. There are many ways to do this. I will take the sum of all the numbers in the word length list and divide it by the length of the word length list and assign it to average length. And then I will round that value to the nearest integer, because a word length cannot be a float value. So I will convert it to an integer. Let's run this part. So the average word length of this sentence is 4. This is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put in the comment section. I'm happy to help. If you like to see similar videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you and happy learning.